Well, hello, diamond painters. I got a tripod. So so now you won't have to see my face. Um Sanjoli, I want to say thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. And anybody who likes my videos, I want to say thank you for that also. I just want to show some unbaggings, unboxings, whatever makes everyone happy. I have two of them, both from Aliexpress. Yeah, I bought these during their sale. The first one is from the Hibah Hibah store. Order on March 28th. It shipped on March 29th. I got on April 9th. And today is April 19th, and I'm doing this unbagging now because I just got one in that took 500 years. We'll talk about that one after. So it was $3.15 originally. I took they took 36 cents off. So I paid $2.79. It's a partial round blue flower, I call it. It's 30 by 40. It's a partial. I thought it was a full, but turns out it was a partial. Hold on, sorry. Alright, so for that price, you know, I kind of figured it wasn't going to be a full, but they really didn't say. I was hoping it was, but it wasn't. So let's get into it. I did cut it open, and I looked at it real quick because I thought it was one of my diamond paintings from New Frog. I'm waiting for two to come in. And when it was packed like this, I thought it was from New Frog. So it comes in a plastic sleeve. This is the first time for me ever getting one in like a plastic sleeve really like this. Maybe one or two from New Frog, but we'll see what it looks like. This is what it is, and the drill field is really clear. It's blue flowers. Sorry for the glare. It's raining outside and it's about 7 o'clock at night here. So it claims it's a 40 by 30 and 6 colors with symbols 1 to 6. So yeah, that's a quick little one. Not a lot of drills. You could probably see them through the package. Got some purple, like a creamy white, different color blues. Yeah, it's not a lot, only 6, so I'm not going to take them out. No DMC codes, which is a bummer. Wah, wah, wah. But, what you expect for not even $2. So, oh, and the drill kit. I'm sorry, regular drill kit. Sorry, people, I can't talk. So thank you for actually watching my videos, because, yeah, I have issues. All right, the second one, I placed these both on the same day. Here's my dilemma. You're going to hear me rant for a minute, so deal with me. Kamy Yi Good Store. I got it actually today, April 19th. I ordered on 3/28. They shipped it on 3/30. This has nothing to do with the store. The store did a lovely job. They shipped it out quick. I paid $16.65. Well, I didn't pay $16.65. It was. With the sale, they took $3.64 off, so I got it for $13.01. So if you think about it, my first one was kind of free. It's full round owl tree, I call it. It's a 45 by 60. Here we go. Got into the U.S. on 4/7. Went to Stamford, Connecticut. I don't live in Connecticut anymore, but for some reason, when it comes from the International Sorting Center in Kennedy Airport, it goes to Stamford. Then it usually goes to Harrisburg. Then from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, it goes to Lancaster, PA, and then to my little local post office because I live in a little small town. But this is what happened with this one. Came into the U.S. Yay! Thinking it's going to be here within 3 days after it left the sorting center on 4/7. No, it went to Stamford. Okay, cool. But it did not leave Stamford until the 6th, around the 15th. I don't understand that. Then it goes to Pittsburgh. Why? I live a half hour away from Lancaster, which is closer to Philly. Finally, it goes to Philly. Really? So then it goes past me again to the other side of Pennsylvania. Then it goes to Lancaster. Yay! morning. And it's funny because it gets to Lancaster about 3 o'clock in the morning. I have that mobile tracking app that Ella talks about. And they break it down for you. So it went to Lancaster, got there like 3:48 in the morning. It left there 4 something in the morning. Got to my small little post office. My post office shipped it out the same day. Hey, I'm not complaining. So yeah, I did not open this one, but since it took 4 billion years just to come from basically New York, almost 10 days, I hope it's in good condition because it's in that bottle bubble wrap thingy stuff. So yeah, I don't know why I'm showing you my name. Don't mind me. I've been having a rough day. The oldest one's off from school. I had to go to Walmart today. Then I had to rush from Walmart. Sorry, I'm moving you guys. I'm so sorry. Go to Walmart, rush out of there, pick up lunch, meet my husband for lunch at his job with my other 2 kids in tow. A teenager and a 5-year-old. And yeah, fun times. Especially when they're not cooperating and they're arguing in the back seat. Oh, it'll be easy once they're 9 years apart. No, it's not. No, it is not. All right, you gotta come out. There we go. Woohoo! Throw this out. All right. So, here's a cute thing, and it's a round because I'm trying not to do squares, people. I got tired of squares. 3 bad ones in a row. 45 by 60. We'll count the colors after. Let me just unwrap this. Poor guy. Oh, let's look at the back of it. It don't look like there's any puckers. It just kind of folded in that sort of way thanks to the bubble thing, but it is what it is. Let's try to get this to lay flat. Let's move everything else off forward. Move out my word, please. Don't mind me. I have a 5-year-old that I do voices with, so characters. Teen Titans, My Little Pony, Shimmer Shine. $30 colors. What? Oh, thank you. She loves my diamond painting. She said it's very colorful. It's beautiful. She's such a sweetheart. And then they become teenagers. Let's see. All right. Before we're gonna let this lay flat for a little bit. So I got some buggies. Hello, buggies. Little buggies, not a lot. So it should be 30 colors. So no 310s. Ooh, 309. I never saw 309. So we're gonna have to look and see what color that is. So 30 colors. Nice symbols, letters and numbers. Yay! Some of those weird symbols could just really mess with you. So the most I have. What is that, 102? Holy Toledo. I know I don't have 102 bags of that one. Oh, wow. 20,280. Whoa, what did I get myself into? Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Does that look like 102 baggies? Oh, definitely. 162. It's a nice ice color blue. Oh, my gosh. We're going to have to look at that. But I want to see what 309 is. I'm so used to 310s. I'm going to do quick inventory off screen. I just want to get into that 300. No, 309, sorry. I'm going to put you guys on pause for a second. For you guys, of course. I'm going to do a quick inventory. We'll look at the colors real quick. And then we'll look at the canvas. Inventory's good. Yep, there was 102 bags. I don't know what I got myself into, but this is 309. It's like a, almost like a burnt red color. I want to show you 300. Very dark brown. Beautiful orange, 740. It's like one of my favorite colors to see in a diamond painting. 333. The purple. I'm just gonna move slightly, try to move you guys. We got some greens over here, 701, 894, 783, 803 is a really dark bluish color. Oh, see, I love having this tripod because the colors are much better than in selfie mode. 3850. So yeah, everything's here. 208 looks close to, kind of close. Try not to get those mixed up. So yeah, let's move this all over. 102, 162. You would think they would give me the big gigantic bags of like thousands or something. Sorry if I'm shaking the table. I just found that weird they would give me small little bags. I'm gonna have to use like a quart size bag for that. Ziploc bag for that one, because I don't use containers. I'm a cheap person, to be honest, when it comes to, unless I'm like really making money on this, then I would probably go all out. But to me, whatever saves me money so I could buy more diamond paintings, that's how I do it. So yeah, let's take a peek at this. Oh, I don't know why the keys are so small, but yeah, it's tiny. It's tiny. This is a 45 by 60, so that is small. So let's get into it. Hopefully I don't rip it. It's not cut at all, the canvas cover. Right? No, it's not. But as we saw the back, there's no pucker, so hopefully there's no rivers. Sorry if I'm shaking the table. I'm just trying to get this corner to come up without the glue. There it is. Ooh, I just ripped the cover! No! Alright. I get silly when I'm tired, and I'm tired, people. Yeah, we could be nice. Let me stop. I'm being silly. Silly. Alright. I'm a little upset because I ripped the cover to my twin owl, and the bad thing about ripping the cover, that some of the paper of the cover got stuck on my canvas, and I had to use my tweezers to get it off. It was really annoying. Sorry, my arm's in the way. I just want to get this off, and my hair is in the way, and my big head's in the way. How many gray hairs did you guys see? Let me stop. Let's get this off as much as we can. This thing is big. I'm so glad I got a tripod. Get my daughter's junk off the table. Yes, my 14-year-old leaves stuff on the table every night. Drives me crazy. My mom trained me to be really clean, so blame her. She's probably watching this like, hey, don't go there. So I'm going to move you guys real quick. Sorry. I do have one river. Comes up to like here. That's not bad though. Especially being in transit as long as it was. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. The owl family. Kamy Yi Good Store. Not bad, not bad. Look at the colors. I love how each owl basically has different colors, except for some of these. They're basically all the pinky color, but. And I think, yeah, this one and this one are the same color. This one's different. You got the purple matches that one. Oh, and the orange. Okay, yeah. Well, this one's oddball. He's only like, oh no, he's not. Sorry, I'm looking in the camera view. Got the little guy up there. So yeah, it's gonna come out good. I did place some more orders today. So I have some other ones coming in. I have a Rapunzel from Tangled for my youngest one. I don't have it now. It's coming in, and I placed a new frog order too. Symbols, very clear. You see the owls? Cute. They are. And, oh yeah, it's sticky. And I think I might have a bubble there, maybe. Sorry, right there. Yeah, I think that's a bubble in the canvas.
Let me see. Let me see.
But
Where's the bubble? Where's the bubble?
oh, relax you. I think it was from shipping though. If I flatten this and push it down, and I hate touching the glue, but get out of here.
Sticky. That one.
Same thing right here also. I'm trying to get you guys this in a good view right here. Right where my hand is up here. Yeah, right there. And it's where there's bad creases from when it was shipped. It looks like...
Well,
I'll go in your other room. Thank you. I already told you not to do that when it was on pause. Sorry. I have to teach her. So let's do the other side. Real quick, and then I'm done. I know I gotta do a whip and chat. I'm almost done with my 2 owls. That one. This cover's not on too good, but I didn't do it all the way. So here's the bottom part. So, yeah. Just scrutinizing a little bit, sorry. I just wanna, yeah, same here. I'm not sure you guys can see me right here. So I'm gonna have to put something heavy on there. My heavy Singer sewing book, probably on it. The cover's crooked. All right, I'm not gonna play with this on camera because I don't wanna waste anybody's time. So yeah, that was it. Owl tree from the Kamy Yi Good Store. Like I said, it wasn't their fault. It shipped on 3/30 and it got into the United States within how many days? On 4/7, but then it took almost 10 days just to come here from, basically you think about a Stanford, because New York shipped it out really quick from the International Sorting Center. And the first one is from the Hibah Hibah something store. Don't mind me. So yeah. I'm gonna have fun with all those, what was it, 162s to do this one, but yeah, that was it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you do like watching my videos and listening to me not pronounce words. And hit the like button if you did like the video. You don't have to. I'm not that type of person and be like, hey, like my videos. But yeah. So I'm gonna have some more unboxings hopefully soon. I'm gonna try to do a whip and chat during the week. I'm gonna try. Not sure. We have a wedding to go to, then my friend from North Carolina is coming up, and I can't wait to give her the twin dolphin that I did up for her and framed. So I'm gonna try though, because I have a lot to talk about. So thank you again for watching. Have a blessed day, night, whatever time you're watching this. Bye.